Inkinga iqala mangifike high school. Siyabhema ema-toilet senzani. 2008 hawu nangu Achooz. Okay. Achooz akasebenza kathini, but then Achooz hlala nemali. Hayi man Achooz, plug me in. Achooz athi hayi ngizakisa mngani. Okay mangihlangana nabo MyG bayangitshela ke ukuthi bona lana senza umsebenzi okanje. Nayi Tempon bamba kwi. Umloyo ke ngithatheka ngihamba ngeChina. Kanti ilanga lebhadi immediately nje ngiqeda ukulenda eHong Kong. Like sithola ama-custom exile asifolele thina laba baphuma eSouth Africa. Because bathi South Africa is a hotspot. Bokunzima. Because first of all, I was the only foreigner. Kancane ngiyafunda ukuthi okay, ukuthanyelwa, sweeping, Soul Day, mopping, Mate. Loyo one day is a special dish ngiyaba. Hey man, mangiluma ngiyezwa man ngapha ngitaste imathini.
Yes.
Ngapha ngitaste beef. Inyama enjani lena taste that ubuza umngane. Or they said, "Meya, what are we eating?" Haya sisi manofana. Or they said, "Gawa, sisi you're too much trouble, we're eating dog." What?
Son.
She played the laptop in the kitchen, my toilet. Nothing comes out. There's no money point. Oh, you're a good doctor. Whether you have headache, stomach ache, your hand is painful, whatever is painful, you will just tell me, Yamtoti soy. Drink more water. I can think it.
Three, two, one, and action time.
Dankie, eSoweto, ebukhosini. Tony Montana lo bafethu. Yazi bafethu. Soweto podcast, Strength and Hope. Vandag bafethu, yo. Vandag ge. Zisisa ngale, zisisa China. Isithumele China bafethu sester. Athi vandag uzoserenyela isiChina so vandag bafethu. Siphethu sester uzointroduce no ashude no bani. Khulela va ukhulisa ubani until kuze kube namhlanje. Sawona sisi.
Sawona bhuti.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Hayi ngishap. Ya sister ungazi-introduce.
Ngegama ngubusisiwe bakaMakhubo. I was born eLerato, khulele eBhekestan. And then ngikhuliswa umama nogogo. Daddy was there but bekangekho at the same time. However, at least uthando ngilitholile kuye. Ngikhulela emndenini oshapu. I don't have siblings engibhekane nazo ngithi abantwana bakamama nobaba. But then through abomamkhulu nginabo busisi nabobhuti. Ngikhule ngathi ngi-cheese girl enyana. Mama ngafuna nix ngami, multiracial schools, all that. Inkinga iqala mangifike high school. Introduce nabantwana babelungu. Siyabhema ema-toilet senzani. I just became a troublemaker. My mom tried. She tried her best. Kutazame, my social worker, my Nicro, Walter Sisulu place of safety, like. The year 2006, my mom passed away. Mama magashona, that's when everything just became up and down. Ngasala nogogo. Abomamkhulu decided ukuthi, hey, troublemaker, smeleni kancane, we can't handle this. So ngasihlala nogogo wami. But then bengiqeda ukwenza imatric 2006. Angizange ngiphase kahle. 2007 ngihleli ekhaya kunaniksi. 2008 hawu nangu Achooz. Okay. Achooz akasebenza kathini, but then Achooz hlala nemali. Namhlanje uphatha le phone kusasa uphatha leya. Hayi man Achooz, plug me in. Achooz athi hayi ngizakisa mngani. Si Rustenburg. Hayi ngempela nami ngithatha ikhwama ngijuda umagogo. Gogo, khona umsebenzi nyani ngutholile saluni what. Gogo athi hayi khululeka mntanami ngiyakukhulula. Ngalanda ibhesti yami. Angithi bengihlala nogogo. Ngalanda ibhesti ngadela isalukwazi. Ngiyabuya. Ngempela ke thatheke ngeRustenburg. Fike eRustenburg ngihlangana nabo MyG. Okay mangihlangana nabo MyG bayangitshela ke ukuthi bona lana senza umsebenzi okanje. Yabo. Nayi Tempon bamba kwi. Tempon sigonyama practice sifuna ukubona ukuthi ungakhona na. hayi lingihlule. Athi my dear akunankinga sisi luggage ikhona. Hayi no stress no problem. Impela bangibhakele. Izinto zami nje zenzekale njenge speed. Passport yoyenzwa like a week nje. Passport, visa, yonke into right. I have to travel to China through Hong Kong. Asina direct flight thina ngapha. How? Excited. Phela I'm still young. I'm excited. I'm leaving the country. Oh, that's a big thing. An achievement bantu benkosi. Umloyo ke ngithatheka ngihamba ngeChina. Hambe kahle eChina ngibuye. Ngihlale 2 weeks eChina ngibuye. Within 3 weeks, ngifonele futhi mayithi hayi, I've got another business. Are you willing to take it? Ngithi yes, I am. Hayi ke. This time bangifakele 4 kilos. Same procedure, luggage. Umloyo ngithathe. Ay, kanti langa lebhadi. Immediately nje ngiqeda ukulanda eHong Kong. Like sithola ama custom exile asifolele thina laba baphuma eSouth Africa because bathi South Africa is a hotspot. South Africa gabribe, so airport wakhona very easy. So every custom had to choose abantu abayi 4 or 5 azobasearch. Ngebhadi I was one of those people abakhethiwe. Upon searching, my luggage was found in a. By that time, do you understand, Guti, I'm very young. I don't know the language. And it's a huge thing, mabatole quantity enkulu airport. So like they were calling each other. Ngapha ba busy bakhuluma into engayazi. Ngapha manje ngithi ngiyababhekela kuphuma lo mara makangene ngathi into eyi1 man bayafana labantu. Okay. I was taken to the police cells, holding cells. The next day, court bangitshela kahle ukuthi hayi, we're going to put you remand for 6 weeks. Sayogeza ama wakho. I had to go to a juvenile center. According to Hong Kong law, you are a juvenile until you're 21. Therefore, you do not mix with adults. I was taken to a juvenile center, Dai Tham. That's the name of the center. After 6 weeks, I went back to court. My were purified from 4 kilos to 2.5 kilos after purification.
Okay.
My lawyer told me, yeah, you're facing a very, very long time, my child. The best way to avoid this is just cooperate, plead guilty. At the end of the day, like a jakwivulo. So, masingayile nali. Trial sizame. I stayed trial 7 months. But that 7 months in fact, so bagunzima. Because first of all, I was the only foreigner at that time. Abomedem wam, abangatayo, they can't speak English. When I have a problem, mele ukuthi bafonele phezulu. Kuze at least umaqhuzu unyana uzokhuluma nami angitshele. So one day the superintendent told me, listen Busi, the superintendent actually is married to a South African guy. Okay. So the superintendent gave me Busi lalela. Normally, we do not borrow books to AMA trials. We only give them to convicted prisoners. However, in your case, sizoyenza exception. Only if you borrow books that teaches you the language. Because it was even difficult to communicate Rumin. I have to do sign language. Okay, I agreed. Kancane. Yafunda ukuthi okay, ukuthanyelwa, sweeping, Sol Bay, mopping, Mate, toilet, Tiza. You understand? That is Cantonese. By 7 months here trial, at least I could hear a lot. But then bengakakwazi ukuhlanganisa ama sentence. Yes, 16 is got December 2008. I was sentenced. And as a judge, my sentence it in considering the fact that you left an old age grandmother at home. And the mere fact that you cooperated, you didn't waste the government's money. I was actually supposed to sentence you 23 years because of the quantity you have. However, at least now we have a chance I will give you 15 years. That was when? 2008. So, Mang sentence kanjalo, I'm a Cat A prisoner, meaning maximum. Ngapha sithi maximum.
Yeah, maximum.
I had to be moved from a juvenile manje. Ngiyohlangana nabani nabantu abadala.
So imambozi.
And the maximum yase Hong Kong, a life sentence, mostly. I was the first case trafficking. Mangifika ngihlangana nabantu bashaya amameda ngaphakathi. Ogogo abadala. So ngifikela esibhedlela. They give us IDs with your photo, your early discharge date, your late discharge date. Mangifika esibhedlela man, mangibamba le ID. Mangicabanga 2008. Ngiyibona nini 2018 or 2023. This is not true. Ngivale le ID lena ngengicambalale kancane. 2 minutes ngiphakame futhi ngicama ukuthi manje ngithi izawuchange kanti nix. Ngizijuda ngiwa. Hayi ngizitshela into eyi-1 ukuthi yabona la ngize ngimele le. Ngoba i15 years ngiyiqala ngakuphi? Hayi ngibona ngizikhiphe egamini. Bona ke mina ke ngoba clever bami. Thatha i-bedsheet ngene etoilet ngiyalidabula. Sengiyabopha manje ngibopha amafilo. Kumele ukuthi ube late. Kanti khona isalukwazi lapha esilala cangwami. Singibhekile sechana, singibhekile sithulile sithethu. Hawu mangiqeda ukubopha amafindo wami bangibiza. Hey, you need to go and see psychology. Hey, okay. Thathe le findo lami ngilithi phansi komqamelo. Ngihambe ngiyobona psychology. Hawu mase ngibuye ku collect izinto zombhede. Nefindo lami lihambile. Hey but no. Okay, akuna stress ngizayibona. Hayi basilethela ama bedsheet amayo. Phinde futhi. Ngithi ake bakhe. Kudu. La ngiqeda ukulibopha khona futhi bangibize. Hamba bona head of security.
Salwa
Hamba bona head of security. Hey man, lesalwazi lelisa. Phuma la. Hamba ngiyobona head of security manje nginikeza ama rules and regulations. Kuthi bona when you are a young prisoner, umixwe nabantu abadala. Therefore the treatment is not going to be the same. You are young. And nabo mabak avoid ungacabanga izinto ezisnacks. Yithi esibatshela ukuthi bak avoid uncane. Okay, no stress. Buyele roomini. Mangifike eroomini, findo lami lihambile futhi. Hayi ngiphathwe istress. Aze lo gogo.
Useyaziveza.
Aze lo gogo makafika lo gogo. That time ngiphumile, ne? Because it was December. Ama associations wangaphandle anokuletha ama packets nyana wama snack nyana. So kunama sweet ama glucose candies we lemon. Gogo uza kimi. Bamntana. Gogo lona. Le sweet ngiphume la. Ebusuku mangilele lo gogo ubhizi ungibathe isingubo lo gogo lona. Yazini? Hayi. The next day ngibuza uMadam. Athi kimi ngicela ukubona iID ngibonisa. Aja, liyo nge hosiwa. This date is very small. Hey, ngithi lo gogo lona uyazizwa ukuthi uthini na. Lo gogo uyazizwa ukuthi uthini. Okay.
Yeah.
Ngithi okay nami ngicela ubone yakho iID. Lesa ngiyuphayiza ya. Ufuna iID khiphe ngempela nginike mina. Hayi mina. Why lo gogo yena ku EDD akuna date, ku LDD akuna date. I-charge yakhe imeda. Sentence yakhe ikubhalwe LS. What is LS? Luckily kuvela uMadam azophakisa amapilisi. Madam akhona besimbiza uAunty. She had a very good heart. Auntie, help me here. What is it? What I busi? This one is very simple. It's LS, life sentence. No date, meaning she's gonna die here. Huh? Lokho kulona uhlele isikhathi esingakanani. Athi Chinfong was arrested since 1989. That's Bambikhanda.
1989.
That's Bambikhanda because I was born 1989. And by that time I'm 19. I'm thinking, lokho kisala hlelelana since ngizalwa. Ngathi yes. Engabe lokho lona.
Hayi bafethu.
Engabe lokho lona ngakhona ukuhlala kanje. Mina ngizahlulwa yini 15 years. Ngisasemncane. Hayi ngempela. Hayi, Paul. 2 days later bangikhipha esibhedlela because angithi manje they have to do that full body checkup, make sure everything is correct before ngena ngaphakathi yo mixer. Hayi bangithathe bangi-escort bangifaka namanye ama-Cat A manje. Maximum. Sine nama dormitory wethu, workshop, our Hankai place means our exercise yard.
Yeah.
It's all in one place. Like you never leave that place. Uhlala lapho. Mawuyolala ugibela ama steps ulala, mawubuya uyayehla uzosebenza. Like eHong Kong sisebenza 9 to 5. Visitor don't enter anything. If visitors uzokubona neti kanje. You have to work, buy your own toiletries, buy your own phone cards, your writing material, snacks, everything. You buy. Okay. Hayi ngiyafika eKet A ngihlangana namanye ama-China. Manje sivalelekile angina choice. Mele ngifunde language. Ngempela ngafundi language. Ayi Joe. Yathi October 2009. I went crazy. Yazi mabathi umuntu udobha amaphepha. I went crazy. Ithe mabangibonisa ivideo yakhona sebaphuma kungisa a psychiatric ward. I stayed in the hospital, a psychiatric hospital for prisoners for 5 months. October, November, December, January, February. I stayed there. But then in psychology ngibona reality was hitting. Khona manje I absorb leyo information, I accept. Akahlanya kana nix lo muntu right. Came back to Thailand after the psychiatric hospital. Bathi ngimoza sokubonisa i-DVD yakho. Emva yazazi imfene mazilole banana. Yo. Joe, I couldn't believe that's me.
Yeah.
But then ngazitshela into one ukuthi yazi fine. Kusentensiwe. Akunala ngiyakhona. Ngihlala.
So uhlangene isiChina la.
Mfethu. Ungazodlala wena. Banse bathi kimi lethila ngisina. You're crazy. Leto hayla YouTube. Bengibathi leto hayla. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mara sebangibona ukuthi hayi manje inyanga sekayihleli la naye right. Bangibuyisela ku psychology. Miss Mac, Vivian Mac. Miss Mac wangitshela ukuthi bona sis, yabona la, since ujuvenile, you're supposed to go to school.
Yeah.
Ukuthi uhlala nabantu abadala kunala singena khona. Sizokufunela i-tutor ezoza la, sizokufundisa. And then a center siyakhona provider ngamanye ama-course from outside. They collaborate ne Chinese University of Hong Kong, ne Open University of Hong Kong. So we will try sikufunela ama-trust fund for Chinese University. Okay. That's stress. Impela ke qhubeka kanjalo i-tutor every 2 weeks years. Every 2 weeks years I'm busy ngama book binding, busy ngama economics, busy ngeSchina, yazini kuningi. Thola ama fundings ke ngithi hayi since ngithola ama fundings sasemncane. Ngithanda le event management. Impela ngishaya idiploma ye-event management ngiqeda. Ngiqeda ukuyiqeda ngihleli. Hayi kube nomunye usister wangaphandle bekasivizithela yazi labo mama besonto. Sister Jane. Sister Jane wathi kimbuzi lalela. Mina anginamntana, anginakati, anginani. Akoyeke iChinese University kancane. Chinese University izokunikeza nje kuphela i-platform.
Yeah.
Mara kunala izokuthatha khona. I am willing to pay for your studies. Ufunde Open University. Are you accepting or not? I am accepting. Wathi bamba na incwadi sikhethele course. I get a bachelor's degree, social science, studying psychology. Mama bantu. Every time I had a new course. I'm a course where I'm like, sometimes mabaqeda ukuletha receipt, I used to look at it and say, yeah. Ubani nje umsummary ongavela bhadalela umuntu 25,000 ukuthi ayihamba yofunda. You understand? Ngaleso sikhathi akangazi, angihlobananga naye China ngumZulu. You understand? Okay, hayi kube right ke baba, ngisifundele kanjalo ngisifundele. But then inkinga yami beyi1. Ngistubborn mina umthetho wami. Amthetho wami ngistubborn, ngobusiwa ngidlala. Hong Kong, when you mess up, they add your sentence. They have a right to add your sentence when they punish you. On top of my sentence, bang edela in 19 days. Sema sengifika ku 19 days ngathi yabona ke le hayi akusese ngikhalela ukubuyela ekhaya ngibonisa likwazi sami mina ngibhizi ngapha ngiyenzana nezinto ezisnacks. No, awuthi ngeke ngihlale phansi. Hayi, ngabopha iphondo. Ngihamba ama-workshop ukuthunga, leather production, knitting, beadwork, like bona izandla zami ziyasebenza. Because at the end of the day kumele ngenze isalary. Yona le ncane ukuthi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngifonele sona ngisalukwazi. You understand? But then one day ngavelelwa inkingi. Khona umntana bekaphuma eCanada. She's a Canadian Chinese. Wong Sinyeng. That's her name. Wong Sinyeng makafika just because of she knows South Africa. You understand? Tina South Africans, we are not good enough. Tina South Africans, we stink. Tina South Africans, this and that and that and that. You understand? Siyimfene. Sineinwele ze-spring. Yo, yazini jo, kuningi. I lost it. Hangambamba bam. Hangambamba bam. Police case. Nasekhaya bayazi. Ngisho nosisi wami umangene lapho. You understand? Police case. Luckily, ithe masiye court for that. Babona ukuthi ayikho le ndaba leni. Le ayikho le. By drop the case. Kwaba sharp. Qhubekele ejele lami. Isiphilela sona leso sichina leso. Sengisifundile, sengifluent. Shuthi ama-Africans mawangena. Bengilandwa e-workshop.
Yes.
Sisi, kole fanyek la.
Yes.
Busi, pause so translate. You understand?
Yes.
A translator. Nini ngiyabizwa ngiyokhatha inwele, ngiyogunda abantu inwele. Nini ngiyabizwa kumele ukuthi ngihambe ngiyopenda. Nini psychology engifuna ukuthi ngenze ama-anger management courses, yazini. Bengibusy jo. But then in a good way.
Yeah.
You understand? Okay. The problem iqala kuphi bhuti? Inkinga iqala lana manje sengiyazi kakhulu ngithi manje mina. Mawungena lapha e-prison they give you a prison ordinance book kanje. Bathi sifundele. Manje mina ngilezi ngiyafunda grey area ngiyayithanda. Hayi ngiyayithanda grey area. Bese ngichallenge ngazo manje. Maqala kuza i-commissioner bokulandwa mina kuqala. Are you okay? You have any problem? Batshela hayi anginankingi mara mayingena lapha sengiphakamisa isandla kulala.
Yes.
Sengiphakamisa isandla. So bekukhona enye rehabilitation officer uMiss Wong. Miss Wong bekangithanda ngimthanda. You understand? Abantu futhi bebathi ngijola naye. Ngithi sometimes nginalobu tomboyish inyana understand. You understand? So bebathi mina naye khona ukenzakalayo. And bebayazi ukuthi she knows how to calm me down. Maqala i-commissioner hiza or ama-justice of the peace batshela yena hey mthathe umsikhiphe workshop so kumele ngiphume ngamabhaqa bathi Miss Wong ngiyakufuna ngiyeka yonke into ngigijimela kuMiss Wong ngizozama sengibuye ukuthi ama-commissioner beyila okay asijump style asijump ithela ngisijumpa khona mfethu ngisijumpa manje sesineyinkinga eziningi amakama besinikezwa amakamanyana amancane look at our hair you understand ikama engaka luyenzani mfethu because bajwayele lezi zabo ezismooth ama-roll on. We never used to get roll-ons. We had to fight for ama-roll-on. And in order for you to uyithole naleyo roll-on inyana leyo provider yi-center, you have to go and see a dermatologist. Iyo ezosho ukuthi hayi serious unenkinga. Singane samupha. And mabakunikeza hawu mfethu into nyana engakanyana. You understand? And akusina i-roll-on ibizwa i-Talon solution. Ukuthi kahle isebenza umsebenzi imuni hayi asazi mara besiyazi ukuthi hayi iyasinceda thina ngapha sishaya yini humidity phela thina sijwayela asiwajayela ngama humidity makuthi kuyabanda kubanda mfethu uze uthengisa ukudla kwakho ukuthi uthola ama blanket usivale usidume ebusuku you understand but then beside that mfethu the treatment of Hong Kong right yona ne but then bayas traumatize bakuphatha kahle. You eat 4 times a day. We have 4 different diets. Chinese diet, Western diet, Indian diet, vegetarian diet.
Yes.
You choose where you want to fall. Yeah. Believe you me, uzungadli vegetable nje. You're going to clean public toilet for 5 days. Uzungadli fruit, that is 3 days, public toilet. So can you believe ukuthi mangisuka la elokishini 2008, I was only 45 kgs. However, when I came back 2018,
Yes.
anubheka kanjani hayi ngisidudla ma ngibuye nginonile
Yeah.
ngibuye nginonile
Yeah.
you understand only because of that two meals why misa nje so nenkinga is psychology ukuthi psychology go you understand ukuthi why you not eating you understand maybe there is something we can do to help you so bebasitreata nje ngabantwana becrash mara ngapha mfethu psychologically bebasikhawathi. We had to wait 3 months to make a phone call. Our phone calls are only 10 minutes.
So, after 3 months?
After 3 months. Mal convicted, you used to get 1 letter per week. Unless when usithengele owakho amaphepha nezitempe zakho nama envelope, then that's the only time you will write every day. You understand? Okay. By introduce the program entsha ejele 2015, a non-smoking area. Ngasikhathi ngiPumalanga ngihamba 2018, bengisibhemela mina. Bema green grass, bema kwaye. Thema ngifika ngaphakathi since ngijuvenile bastoppa zonke. Plus ke ngaphakathi ke ngale akuna illegal ayikho, you won't find any. Sonke masingena lapha singena singabonyanyaza. Siphuma si clean blind.
Yes.
You understand? Okay. It's a mangithi 21. I request that I want to smoke. No, you've been not smoking for a few years. Hey, that was your choice, not mine. Mina sangas decided ukuthi ngifuna ukuquita. Yina ningifostile ukuthi ngiquita. So since bengaphuma enhlizweni, ngiyayicela. Ngempela ke ngihamba ngayenza I request to smoke again. Akwazi ukuzithengela ucigarette. You understand? Yazi bhuti inkinga ukuthini ne? Ekhaya, there's no place like home. Noma ngaze bakutreat kanjani udle healthy uthini ikhaya. You understand? Naleyo 3 months lebe sikhawata because of it's not enough. The time they give you to make a phone call, it's not enough. They only give you 10 minutes. 10 minutes my pen. Bakutshela kahle isikhathi sakho siphelile. Qhubeka ukukhuluma. I drop.
And you tell me just ngicabangani useChina ukhuluma nomuntu South Africa.
And ungcineni
sawubona gogo
ngapha ugogo akeza busisile uthini ingane yami ngithi gogo ngithi ngi right 10 minutes iyaphela. You understand? Ugogo all along uyazi umntana akhe afunda because of abamamkhulu basho ukuthi masingamtshela ukuthi uboshiwe lo masingamtshela yokuthathwa inhliziyo ugogo masithi nje hayi uyafunda. Nami manje sengibhala ngiyamtshela hayi gogo kumnandi ngiyafunda mang achieve certificate inyana ngishaya photocopy ngifake letheni ukuthi at least ugogo abone. Hayi gogo uyakhuthala mathola certificate uzubiza nabo makelwane. Mntana nami achievile bona busu ngibhalela incwadi bona. You understand? Okay, 2015 ba introduce a non-smoking area. Ngizitshela manje ukuthi sengikhathele manje mina ugwayi. I quit. Ngihambe ke ngiye ku non-smoking area. Ngahlala ngabhema. Ithe October ugogo wami washona. Ngicela ukukhuluma naye. Ngakhuluma naye nge-8 ugogo. Nge-15 ugogo washona. Do you understand ukuthi I have to wait? During that waiting period, la South Africa, emaposini, ukunama strike. So whatever letters we were sending, bezingafiki ekhaya. Whatever letters abazithumelayo, bezingafiki kithi.
I was next.
Only to find out, bangibhalele bangitshela ukuthi ugogo ushonile. Ngazi next. Mina January ngihappy ngithi ngifonele ekhaya. Hayi mara inhliziyo iyala ukuthi ngifonele kugogo. Inhliziyo ithi fonela umamkhulu kuqala. Mamkhulu kunjani? Usisi u right. Hayi mamkhulu ngi right why? Usisi uyakhumbula ngitshela ukuthi ugogo uyagula. Mamkhulu. Hayi ugogo usishile. I went back to smoking. Ngaba ne depression. I was taking medication. Ugogo ushona October ngizoyazi ngoJanuary. Ugogo ushona kanje sale kubusisiwe. Mntanami. So that thing yangifakela ianger. Nginama anger issues out here. Ungangiboni ngiyi-pretty face nje. Otherwise okay. Sekuba kanjalo ngitsengibhizi ne-medication yami bangisa kuma-psychiatrist for ama-evaluation bla bla bla. Manje ngibuya ngiphume emapilisini. Abo Achooz bangitshela le ayithisi na. You're crazy. Lento hayla. Nawe. Siyafana. Yazi mina I believe ukuthi once wavalelwa ne more than 5 years khona into engeke sa balance kahle. That's what I believe. Uthi yabona sonke sinemigulo yethu engafani. Ukuthi nje we are just different levels. 2017 kufika immigration. Abana mase kufika immigration eHong Kong siyajabula. Ngoba yazi ukuthi hayi seyichayile manje bafuna ukulungisa ama document. Hayi ngempela ke bafike kahle hayi silungisa ama documents. 2018 so isikhathi sami sokuthi ngibe released. You understand? Because bayenzeni bangikhathele i5 years out of the 15 based on what? Good behavior. Understand? Ithe mangicela ukugcwalisela la 19 days ngathi angisazingeni. I want to focus on my books. And I did that. Ngapha nginobutshatsharakhanyana, ngapha skykai ngiyachange ema workshop, ngiswa ngapha nangapha, plaza ngithi yazi ingqondo at least mayisasebenza ukhona ukucirculate. So eHong Kong bebasithandela lento leyo thina ama South African. Sibamba ngespeed. So siyazi ukuthi mabafundise thina sifundisa bosanyana, bo new one.
Okay.
Exactly. So I went to garment workshop, production, like yonke le ndawo I always had a position ukuthi I checker. And before ngizoba i-checker, kumele ukuthi ngiyoqala phansi nami. But then at the end of the day ngicina ngiphelela laphi checker.
Sure.
And i-checker iba yini? Like monitor, big boss.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Ithe mayithi April. Ngatshela uSifu. Benginomunye uSifu instructor.
Okay.
Ongakanyana iphisinyana. Amtshela uSifu bona Sifu. Nginisebenzele la eHong Kong 10 years. Manje ngikhathele. I'm relaxing. I'm going home. Abakusho bese ngihlala kanje manje. Sengizizwa nami ukuthi hayi ngiyahamba ngekhaya. Angeke basengenza nix manje. You understand? Okay, ngiphume eHong Kong. Ngiphume eHong Kong ngizitshela into wani ukuthi yazini mama nobaba bangishiya ngana sisi ngana bhuti. Athi empilweni ngizifunela into simple. Sifunela umuntu wami bantwana bami abayi2 siyakhe future for a future generation. Okay, uNkulunkulu wangibless. Asitholela umuntu right. Naye ku blue bike njengami. Understand?
Wonhlangane blue bike.
Ngiyasho ukuthi hayi yabona la at least sihlangana ngengqondonyana ezifanayo. Like you've seen life, I've seen life. What more do you want? You understand? Hayi. Saphilisana kahle. Only to find out yazi if things are not meant to be are not meant to be. Kaphela kanjalo. Yabo. Okay. Phela kanjalo asipholisa amanxeba, ageza, akuphuma neziphumayo. You understand? uNkulunkulu wangiblessa futhi. This time akangibless. Ungiblessa ngomuntu ozongiblessa ngengane.
Yes.
You understand? Ithe maqeda ukuba nalezo ingane, asiphumela kanje ngathi sure Achooz. At least mina le eneke labalabela ngiyithuthi.
Yes.
And the worst part uNkulunkulu wenzeni ngiphi umama nobaba. You understand?
Yeah.
Believe right. Hayi ke ngisiphilele kahle nabantwana bami thola isipani nyana. Ngithola isipani. Sister ohlala eVahl. Sister senginenkinga ke manje akusana umuntu ozogada abantwana. Mele ngimsebenzise. Sister athi hayi abantwana bami balethe. Ngisabantwana bosisi. Hayi kube mnandi. Hayi umsebenzi uphushe. Ay. Sahlangana nama-B. Abana ama-green bottle nama-black bottle mfowethu. December 20. I'm talking about into last year. Ngikhuza ugirl wase next door. Hey girl man wayenzi kanje. Yabo ayikho right. Hey akunanto ebhlungu mfethu njengomuntu okuthuka ngomama. Njengoba ngitshela ngathi mina nginama anger issues. But then I do try to play nice. Tema kafaka umama phakathi hayi ingqondo yavaleka mfana. Ngezinye imkhuzo ngobo Jackie Chan yabona iskill engesilene eChina seTai Chi no Kung Fu
Ngizwile ezinye
ngiyakutshela ngithi bengila
ushayeza akho
emfethu nge2 minutes
phela bekumele kube kulani in November
imagine ngaleso sikhathi yimlo yazini hayi mfethu bona nge23 ngiyaphakwa back to square one. The very same place bengithe ngisayifuna kula ngibuyela khona. Ngiyabacela endlini lalelana. Lento lena into simple, you understand? Ngicela ningamtsheli uSister Evali. Because uhlala nabantwana ngapha akekho sharp kwayena health wise. Makazuzwa lena manje. Sombulala inhliziyo. Yabo. Hayi okay sivumelane ngihambe. 23 ngicharge 24 ngecourt. Christmas Eve. Abo achoose bathi bazama leyo bail leyo mabafika lapha bail office kuvaliwe. Mele ngiphose ngise Sun City. Ejo yazi trauma. Yazi trauma. The 10 years I spent in Hong Kong is nothing compared to the 1 week I stayed at Sun City.
Lapha ngamphela.
Abona lapha. Yo, I just yazini kunzima nokuthi ngiexplain
lapha ngamphela
mawungena kanje sosanya cabanga ungavusa umuntu ngo 12 midnight ukuthi ayogeza ugezela ekseni midnight mfethu yeah maqeda ugeza uyolala futhi muni ware ngabe ngale sikule yasel baqeda amanzi ashisayo uyoma kanjalo kulanka amanzi abandayo ngano yo 12 abuphela ubutho buphelile muni ware ngo6 kumele ukuthi uvuke uclean ithi manje 7:30 kuvula le yamnyango yonke into up to date.
Yes.
However mina zikhona izinye izinto bengingazithanda. Angeke ngizothi ngisejele bese ngizocontrolwa prisoner enye futhi. Ingitshela ukuthi ivuka geza dlala phansi uyarasa ngizokuphanisha. Hayi. Hayi le yangizwani nayo. Batshela manje mangikhuluma bangitshela ukuthi sisakududula. Khona enye section lapha eSun City yabogela.
Yo.
Bathi i-section yabona lapha abantu abaningi bayakhala ngayo bathi yabona mawufike lapha bangazazi indaba zakho zo manje banje bathi wena sizokududula kwafika iChristmas bona ngeChristmas ke basidlisana yo Jo nase Hong Kong yazini bebangitreata smart mfethu ungadla ipapa nesobho lama carrot and 2 boiled eggs.
Yes,
that was my lunch for Christmas Day.
Sister, lapha ngamphela.
Yo mfethu angibone kahle. Yabona manje ngishilo ngathi yabona ikumfu yami angcono ngiyipake mfowethu. Ngiyipake ngifake ema-suitcase-ini ngoba ngeke izingisebenzele. Ngeke ngisebenze. Ngithi nasekhaya manje ngibatshela ngathi guys nilalelani. Ngicela ningangiqali nihlukane nami, ne? And uma ngiyathelile ngizoza kuwe ngithi askisi ngisiphumela. Okuningi ngisakudingi. Ngoba ngiprovoke nje ngizokwata ngiyolanda ikumfu ema-suitcase-ini. Ngiyosafara mina, ingane zami nosisi wami. You understand? Okay, but sister azami. Sister izwe ngi31. Nakhona abantu bazongisurprise. Angini manje la bathi bazongibhayila bayabhayiziseka. Ma-holiday amaningi. Ngi31 khona sister izwe la. Ukuthi ubusi Sun City. Sister azami by all means naye makafika lapha bathi hayi akungena iholiday. Sister okay ngicela ukumbona nyana ke bathi mama nix wena buya kusasa nge2 ngo8 yatshela ngithi sister lami liphuma evala la eSun City u8 umshayele seka lapha ithe noma bathi bambonisa bamtshela imalana egate-ini ibhasi lifike sekudalo afikile usisi wami lapha
ngeP2
yazini yabona lo ya akazilambana ngiyakutshela mfethu by the time ibhasi lifika hayi dalo usisi wami afikile. Understand? Okay, sister angibhadelele leyo bail. Sister athi lalela ke mntanami. Yabona simunye la uphuma khona. La ungasala ngikisevali. Hayi impela sami nosisi wami siyevali. Muni worry, I'm a pothead, ne? I've been a pothead since I was 12 years. Mara the mabaqeda ungiphaka nge23 ngathi yazini ngisayifuni nayo ngi-right.
Ngilahlela le.
Yazini can you believe nasekhasi wathi mntwana ke bona wonke umuntu uba surprise ukuthi wena ha wena nekusabelieve or kayitloweli and mvana ke itlowetsi understand ngithofela into nje ebhayizisayo nje empilweni ukuthi imisebenzi kwamanje ayisekho mfowethu yabona ngasitholela umsebenzi nje ostable ngasicela phansi ngazithungela hawu impilo iyaqhubeka imnandi you understand nokuthi sometimes manje lapha edrobheni lapha ngiyovurvaya amachayini angifike ngibavurvaye laziba namalikho amaningi lapha kwesitene ngena one by one
Yes.
hey phanya tema
Yes.
like get that no
Yeah.
hi friend how are you still remember me bangihleke omunye last uza nomfazi waseChina ngiyangena phanyawo ngibona umfazi akwakho ndoda yamtshela ana lo uye kuphela ukwazi ukukhuluma iCantonese la eWest Rand phuma dawo achoose wethu lo siyamazi you understand so within all I can say is mfethu yabona that 10 years eHong Kong for me na somewhere somehow ne angi regret ngithi ngiyabonga Nkosi because of for me it was a second chance in life after as I said after my mom passed away ngaba i-distraction to myself and mfethu uyayazi ibrewery nuka kanjani ukabona mawungachitha icase nola nuka kanjani bokuthi mawuthi okunjalo you understand stress sokuthi umama akasekho abomamkhulu bathi abazingeni ngapha I want to go to college everybody's just saying so yathi noma ugogo amangibhalela iletter ukuqala wathi mntanami la uhleli khona ufunda hlala ufunde uhlukane notshwala you understand so the only thing I regret mina in life it's the fact ukuthi I was not there when my grandmother needed me most. Iyo phela into engiyiregretayo. Otherwise ama experience wami, ama experiment wami like Joe sonke empilweni sawayenza ama mistake.
Okay.
Sifunda ngawo. Angithi njalo.
Ayinjalo sister. Sister uyangithinta. Abona manje mina mangithinteka ngibasoya ngibona senginjani.
Ngathi ufuna ukukhala. Ungabi emotional.
That's why. Before ngizokubuza imibuzo mfethu. Yabo the very same thing ohlangabezane nayo is the very same thing ngihlangabezane nayo inewe kagogo. Nama baqeda ukungweba ngitshela abantu ngalo ukuthi bafethu ngingatshela ugogo ukuthi bangigwebile. Unfortunately mina lezi bengihamba nazo or lezi bezingivayela lapha necourt zamtshela ugogo. And bangigweba ngi-29 April ugogo shona ngi-11 May. So uyabona ukuthi iyafana lento lekhuluma ngaso. So ngiyarelate kule nto isho. And abantu abaningi akuthini kuphela. Abantu abaningi abebejele abachithe isikhathi esiningi. Nanoma ungachitha isikhathi esiningi because it doesn't happen because of uchitha isikhathi esiningi. Kuya ngokuthi ifeva sekuyisikhathi. Abantu abaningi baba loser, abantu ababathandayo because of ijele.
Because of ijele.
So
Ijele libuyisela nemove.
big time.
Because of that 10 years oyspenda ejele, ne? Your life ime still.
Yes.
Can you believe ukuthi mina mangiya ngada mfethu? Amatouch bewangekho. Abangena amatouch. Touch screen. Iphone bengathi tekhaqa, bobi BlackBerry. Yathi ngasikhathi mabangisa airport, ngithi hey, I want to call Sister Jane because Sister Jane mela ngilethele luggage. Hana call Sister Jane banginikeza itouch. Manje achoose ngoba mina ngazi ukuthi kushaya loudspeaker bese ubeka kanje imba ngibeka endlebeni. Athi umlungu, athi China lana. Sisi, my gamyonga, le high gamma.
Gamma.
Not like this, like this. You understand? Hey, nami ngibangela. Hey, kushukuthi izinto zichangeile. Ngenhlanhla ethe mangifika ekhaya, usister naye bekaqeda ukuthenga ifoni unyana etouch. Wathi hayi mntana sekhaya wena ngiyakwazi ukuhlelehlela. Bamba uzifundise. So la ngifunda nami ngizafunda. Yabo? Hayi ngangena egamini kanjalo nami ama-touch nama WhatsApp.
Sisibusi manje ngitshele la. Nakho uvayile wayeRustenburg. Uhamba so yazi ukuthi wenza.
Hamba sengiyazi ukuthi ngiyenzani. Besengiyazi and sengiziphe sengithathe nesibindi ngasithela itswayi ukuthi hayi. Ziyakhala.
Azilimeze itshe.
Once.
So sister nakho ke uyaboshwa. Baphila aba because of yazi khona umuntu bekahleli la manje. Akamenshini ukuthi mfethu hayi labantu bazile visit bazongivisit.
One thing mfethu abantu kumele ukuthi bayi understand. When you get arrested especially if you're working for a Nigerian. Forget a visit. Forget ukuthi noma uphuma uzokunceda nga anything. Like once you get arrested, they disappear. In my case, after I got arrested, the person owing introducer, she also got arrested. You understand? The side. And it's a yena magaboshwa the side. Uboss wezindaba ngespeed. Wadla phansi. Waye Ecuador. Since ase Ecuador. Ukuthi uphelelepi wayenzakalani? Mina futhi angisafuni nokuyazi. Angifethu ngiyakutshela ngithi yabona mawungeza kimi uthi busibona naye. Mfethu ngizayela ndikhumfu. Angifuni ukuzwa nix ijonga leyo business.
Yeah, uyibonile.
Mfethu once bitten twice shy.
Mfethu sasithatha ungitshela mfethu wena ubuye eminyakeni. Mama bathi umuntu ubuye eminyakeni. Ubuye eminyakeni. Phela 10 years esnip up and flex. And I think ngitshela ukuthi why ngithi akusip up and flex in a foreign country.
In a foreign country.
Lapho awazi akunamuntu mhlawumbe wazi ukubring English.
Uthi noma ubhalisa udoctor ekseni uthi ufuna ukuyobona udoctor. Bese nomunye udoctor bathi udoctor Ho. Mawuya ku Dr. Ho, whether you have headache, stomach ache, your hand is painful, whatever is painful, he will just tell you, Yamtoti soy.
Yamtoti soy.
Drink more water. I can think it next.
Yeah.
Fela chanje, Yamtoti soy.
Yeah.
Last thing igeli yafika lapha yaza mawona amabhasta amakhulu mfethu akushaya iqolo. Yayo ke udoctor yamtshela, "Yo doctor la." Abathi, "Yamtoti soy." Like yazini. But then mase ngibuye South Africa. Ngabona ukuthi Yamtoti soy iyasebenza. Really iyasebenza because of, to be honest, our bodies are 70% water. You understand? Once wagula, it means there's an imbalance.
Okay.
There's an imbalance.
Yamtoti soy.
So you understand? But then, ngaleso sikhathi uthola ukuthi uyagula, you need a painkiller bese uzotshelwa ngamanzi. Uyaduma nawe uzitshela ukuthi kanti lo njani kanti lo doctor. Besithi masobhalisa udoctor sibuze. Udoctor mupho khona namhlanje? Oh, isan.
Awuyida.
Hayi, sonke besiyana. Makhona yena bekayazi hayi uyohlala the whole day akunamuntu ofuna ukuza. Uzobona nje laba base in center hospital. Net. Laba bangaphandle akekho singenayo. So tshela into eyi1 musi kuyafana. So why bother? Why?
So sister nakho ke manje futhi. Bayisetshala luggage. Bathola amazababa la. Kambani ngawe mase uyabona manje uboshiwe ene ukude. Like first that moment leya.
Yazi ngikutshela mfethu. Yabona leyo moment. I-blurry nyana ngoba yasaseplanini bengizibulhalisa amaqhamuka kaSathani.
Okay.
Too much ngithi yabona mangidlula ngifuna ukuthi yazini. Mara mabaqeda ukusearcha leyo luggage leyo ngibone kancane bangiseseleni bathi akuyehlise kancane. Yabona mangiphaphama lapho ke ngivula amehlo ama grills. Yathi kanti bengaphuphi kanti lento beyiyenzakala. Ayi kwabe kuvela omunye. But you understand good by that time bengingakayi understand the language. But then khona manje bengingakutshela ukuthi ithe nje makavela wanyamala kho hey sana ayi ngabona she's woken up ngabona mangithi ngiyababheka yes ngathi photocopy ngathi bakushaya ama photocopy umuntu can't you know it's different people ngapha ama immigration ama customs narcotic bureau yazini bak interview kanje one by one bangibuza ke mina ke ukuthi okay sesakusitshele lezi zinto lezi ezikabani ngathi ezami yazakho uzisa ngathi ngizise Gwanzo sizwe umntana ndini uyazazi lezi zinto lezi ukuthi imalini they are worth how much ngathi ayangazi ngithengele umngani wami bangitshele ukuthi eChina kune business eningi so ngacela umngani wami ukuthi angithengele ngizampatala mangiqeda ukuyothengisa eChina because already bese bangibonile on my first trip ngasihlangana nabanye abogeli kuthi lalela Chomi you never reveal ukuthi usebenzela bani kanjani because into oqala imiddleman yakho iyayazi la uhlala khona And should you be a sellout, what will happen to the people you left at home? Yo, masengicabanga isalukwazi samba benkosi. Ngisho ngithi mangingakhuluma la bazongenela isalukwazi samba basikakade. Ngathi yesami. Avoid izinto eziningi. Ngathi okay. Basa bathi bayangigrilla ngathi ngithi yezami. Ngabe ngime endaweni eyi-1 ukuthi yezami. Ngithe achoose angithengele, ngithengise ngizambhadala mangibuye. Phelela lapha. It's sad.
So uyabona ukuthi shoot manje enepeka yazi khona into engijumpa manje level ukukhuluma kahle uba neplug for umunye umuntu. Uyayibona lento le. You should you understand? Yeah, should uba nesibindi for ukusebenzela umunye umuntu.
Exactly.
Enepeka usenkingeni akasekho.
Akasekho.
Abanga 10 years.
Like it's even worse nalo owaboshwa la eSouth Africa. He was not there. Instead wayenzani wakhetha ukubaleka. Angithi for mina bekayazi ukuthi angeke bamlande from that side. You understand? But then lower la eSouth Africa bangakhona ukumthola. Instead wayenzani badla phansi. Washiya ugirl kanjalo. Ugirl bekasayina until last year. However mina ngibuye nge-clean record. Into nje ngimoshelela ile case lena manje December. Whatever you do in a foreign country, iphelela in a foreign country.
Ngazi ngifuna sikhulume ngani manje? Ngikuzwile. Uyangizela manje ngiyabona ngizoyikhola. Ungathini ngomngani? Ngani no in general nje.
Yazi mina kumngani achoose ne.
Hayi umngani wakho. Sengisho ukuthi wena ungathini ngomngani watshela umunye umuntu? Ngifuna ukuthi siye somewhere. Umngani
mina all I can say is choose your friends wisely. You understand? Kwa wena umuntu mawungathatheki because ubona umngani agcoke Nike nawe uyifuni. Akwazi ukuthi umngani uyithole kanjani.
Thank you. Bengifuna undlulisa lawo magama. Yazi why sibuyele storyini sakho ukuthi wena ubona umngani izinto iqhusha.
Ngabona ukuthi hayi it's happening. But then yazi my staying in Hong Kong 10 years yangifundisa to be content with whatever I have. Manginayo imali ngiyajabula, manganayo ayikho. Namhlanje manginalo ipapa nenyama ngiyajabula. Kusasa manginepapa nekhabishi ngiyajabula still because at the end of the day leyo nyama nekhabishi iyenza umsebenzi oyi-1. Sisesogcwala.
Thank you.
And mangiphumela phandle ajuze ngicela ukusula umlomo ngidle ikhabishi wena uzuphethe isteak. Ha uthola ukuthi ngisuthi kumdluli. Wena boleqa leso steak. You understand? Timing. Yabo. Njalo bhuti.
Asikaqithi sister ngiseza. Sister nakho ke manje. Uphila nabantu lapha eHong Kong by visit. Phela ngikhuluma from example from experience. Ngibuye ejele nami. Ngeke ngahlala ejele ngena visit. Ende kahle mina bengibhandita ngena visit. So ngiyazi umuntu makazothi ngibhandita ngena visit. Ngiyazi ukuthi ukhuluma ngani. Imagine mina mfethu bengila ikamfene la ezone 7 ethi Tufu. Ngena visit. Ngiyazi ukuthi bekunzima kangakanani wena cabanga use Hong Kong awona ne visit.
Yazi Hong Kong bebasenzelani ne? Ukuthi bavale leso space. Kunama Christian organizations amaningi, nama Muslim organization, Buddhist, whatever. Wena bazobuza, since you are a foreigner bazobuza. In fact, would you like if somebody come and visit you once in a while? Uvumeke now. Babhalika malakho phansi, balinikezela ngoma organizations. Mostly bebaza ngama Mondays. Monday the whole day you visit ama organization. So at least bebasivala leso space yakhona ukuhlala nomuntu angaphandle nixoxa even though the person is not family, but then ukuthi at least uhlale nomuntu angaphandle ngengixoxo. It used to make it different. One day wathi kimi usisi wami wathi sifuna ukuzovakasha eHong Kong. I was like, what? This person uyazizwa. Into yokuqala mabathi bazovakasha eHong Kong. I-plane ticket imalini. Mabafika eHong Kong, ne? Mele ukuthi babook i-hotel. Hong Kong is not cheap. Mele book a hotel. Phezu kwe-hotel, mele ba-involve a-consulate because mele baze ne-consulate in order for me to get extra hours or extra time in visit. Mabazele babodwa, we used to get 2 visits per month, ye family. So, and those 2 visits, it's actually 15 minutes. So, each person used to have 30 minutes a visit per month. So mangicabanga ukuthi family yami mele ukuthi isuke ngapha spend ama-1,000 ukuya ngale iphinde spend ama-1,000 wehotel ngapha kumele ukuthi ilande consulate igibelisa consulate ukuthi bathole escort, like it's a lot of money. My family don't have that. You understand? Don't have that. Ngacela umamkhulu ke mamkhulu akuzama ukukhuluma ne-embassy ukuthi at least ngize ngapha. Yazi mamkhulu amangiphendula wathi busisiwe usasemncane. Singazama ukukulwela sifaka bobani okay uze ngapha. Are you aware ukuthi immediately mawuza ngapha uzoba ne-criminal record? However mawuhleli ngapho whatever tano yenzile iphelela lapho mawubuya clean. Usifunela umsebenzi mntanami uyasebenza impilo iqhubeka phambili. Hayi ngempela nami mangihlala phansi ngiyibona ngithi ya criminal record versus no criminal record. Ngapha ngizophuma la ngina 29 khona impilo esaqala ngithi ngihlale once ngiphuma ezintweni focus encwadini zami
Sister uhleli 10 leminyaka
emfethu 10 years plus 19 days yobustodu plus 5 days yase immigration
enhle bese ucabanga ngesiChina
ngizawuthini mfethu ngapha banokushela ama special dish
okay
Loyo one day is a special dish ngiyaba come hey man mangiluma ngiyezwa man ngapha ngitaste imathini
yes
ngapha ngitaste ibeef inyama enjani lena taste that ngibuza umngane phanya ote sekne ya what are we eating haya sisi man ofana ote sekawa sisi you too much trouble we are eating dog I was like what what
sad
she played it up on the kitchen toilet fuck umuntu nothing comes out hey ngibuye ngizohlala phansi ngitshela madam wathi angithi Chinese diet
Chinese diet include the
it's
dog
part and parcel bona chomi makubanda basishaye nge-snake soup ukuyosifuna lapha eDragon City snake soup when it's cold it keeps you warm.
Yeah man.
In fact, ungahamba ngevest la istrata ngewinter. Snake soup. Yeah.
So babanishaya njengoba uthi abantu babanishaya snake soup ulala kamnandi.
Ulala kamnandi. Bona uvuka nasebusuku uvulela ishawa amanzi abandayo ukuthi ukhule.
Yebo mfethu umhluzo wenyoka.
Umhluzo wenyoka kanti. Like seriously. Bona ke mina. Nasendlini angiJohnny the best ke. Hayi mapoteni.
Yeah.
Ngine cousin ye-twin uSiphiwe wangitshela straight wathi busisiwe mina ukutya okwenzile ndingakubonanga sungiphakele soze andizi wathi mntasekhaya upheka kamnandi mara mangingakubonanga ukuprepare cela ungangiphakele ngiright mina ngokudla kwakho ngiright ngokudla kwakho
ever since ubuya Hong Kong
ngoba ngiyabatshela phela mina oga nja siyadla finish and clear. What doesn't kill you makes you stronger forward. Uthi why kumfu yami tough kanje?
Yamba nenja.
Exactly.
Nenyoka
ngaphakathi izini siyababhayitha. The other day ngiyapheka endlini. We have this a public hospital in Hong Kong ne. Mawungena emnyango they will give you this small porridge. Maybe zikhonji. Chop. Ikonji, it's made from beans, peas, lentils. We have this thing we call tofu, or fujok. It's made ngamaqanda afermentiwe, ezinye zenziwa ngesoya bean efermentiwe. So mina bengithanda green peas konji. One day ngiyabaphekela la endlini, ngenza ama peas. Waqeda ubila ngithatha irice nyana lahlela ngaphakathi kuyabila qedile ngithatha istarch normally thina abantu abamnyama asisithengi istarch ukuthi sokufaka ekudleni sebenzisani flour thatha iflour to make it thick lahlele kancane sipunyane si1 namanzi yathikina ngiqhubeke
Kubewas.
sithela ushukela ngaphakathi yeah sithela ushukela ngaphakathi mangikuseva yona baba ne sokunikeza yona ngizokunikeza nebisi esayidini yabona mayihlanganise nebisi ngiyakutshela akuyehlela lapha akuyehlela
Sister khona into engabuza ngayo.
ngibuze
Le milo uyifunda phi? Uyowapheka le. Usebenza ikombisi.
Angithi manje siyabona
njengoba bayishayile.
Njengoba bayishayile siyabona ene ngapha e-library kunencwadi sinokuboleka incwadi mawungabona incwadi engabuya ngazo achuze akuna exercise book engana recipe believe you me lapha bayenza njani izinto zakho zibhalwa inumber yakho present number yakho meaning I cannot borrow your cup
Yes. Yeah.
I cannot borrow anything that is not mine should insecurity ifike ingithole ngencwadi yakho or ngeballpen yakho special unit khulukuthu we are not to do that so sonke besenzani besizibolekela incwadi sibhala ama recipe you understand ning yazini uyazi mangaphakathi mfethu pen and paper yes ibest yomuntu should
Sister manje khona into ngifuna siyenze ngibambe ngesandla ngifuna sovula ibusiness
asambe soyivula
ngifuna sithengise umhluzi wenyoka
Njofana emfethu bengibashanga ama wings baze bangibuza ukuthi emfethu ufakeni la ama wingsini wakho ngithi mfethu bengiyetshwaleni ngo6 wantambama yes mayithi 2 bavala angishaya stock out ekasi bekasi mfethu bengibashanga ama wings aserious kabi nabo bayazi
mfethu mamela Ngibafethi ngila ikhale ndaba namhlanje ayizisozi yena zithi
so siyala sayivula baba asibathini kasi benginenje uchuchu ucheck Russell yaba nabantwana bebayi7 unfortunately kwa41 sorry to say this mara oyi1 ngasiphekela yena ekhaya hayi ngasiphekela yena ekhaya and uyazi ukuthi make sasemncane afresh umnandi kanjani ukhukhuna uzukhukhune nethambo mfowethu ithe mangiqedile ngadizista laba abanye ngadizista ngathengisa ithe mabathi ngathi ngibathengise bonke kanti abazi ukuthi eyi1 ngene ngaphakathi njofela mfethu njova inyama uyeke inyama uyibona inyama hayi inyama siyeke mfowethu
manje ibaba ziyi1 like we
ngidle ngiyi1
okay
ngidle ngiyi1 ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi mangingabapha mos bazongibuza ukuthi hey no yakuphi and muni wari buku lockdown level 5
yeah
understand ukuthi ngelevel 5 bokuraf mangithi ngiyabheka ngapha nginemidlwane ey6 lana plus no mama khona bafuna amapapa nami self ngifuna amapapa hayi na inyama
mfethu idle for 10 years mina ngisudu bafethi ningamsudu mfethu hayi
and do you understand ukuthi esikhathini esiningi abantu abaningi once bezwa ukuthi ubuso uphuma eChina the first thing angibuza yani ujele nja kijile chomi kinama emfethu ngathi like uguy khona umunye uguy bekakhuluma epodcastini yakho akhuluma the way aphuma boma Philippines kuphi emfethu Thailand simanga ngama grasshopper lapha ngezibungu ngani thenga night market yakhona yaphuma jo yizo zona lezi zinto lezo can you believe if ungayenza research manje 2018 mangiza ngapha WHO beyifuna ukuyenza ibisi ngecockroach have you seen when you step a cockroach what happens
yes
exactly so manje ngitshele kumanje mfethu lamabisi esiwathengayo kubo my friend into oqala sorry to say this guys wona la ngomabisi esiwathenga kubo my friend uyazi ukuthi ayenze ngani
ngephela
because of at the end of the day mawuthathi hambi yothenga i-Ultramel ku my friend bese uyithenga e-Shoprite usitshela so eglazini uzibheke azifani azifani mfethu nobuthick bakhona yabona na ukuthi
yebo ndiyamampela itini
le yamampela nyane ngathi imhlophe futhi ngabe hala
leyo tim leyo yayibona ukuthi
mfethu you understand ifana noma uye restaurant mfethu ufike restaurant ufike order lento eyi-order waza sebayifrayile ngaleso sikhathi abazi ukuthi udleni
sister uthi singene eSun City Uhleli 1 month,
No, ngihleli 1 week.
1 week. Ne, 1 week ngiyazi iningi. Ubabonile laba abaningani?
Ngibabonile but then bengibabonela kude.
Wababonela kuphi? Ngifuna ukubuza ngenye experience. Because angazi okay, ithi because of awabonanga but ithi ngibuze ngale bebangekho abantu beba pregnant and with
Bebakhona
Bakhona.
Joe. And then they would stay at hospital.
okay.
They had their own private cell. You understand? But then once in a while magiwa kuboma visit esontweni would meet.
Yeah.
Khona umntana wase Springs. When you say like that ngikhumbula Phela ungabizi igama lakhe.
Ungabizi
Khona
igama.
umntana wase Springs.
Yeah.
Le mntana lona bekuyi psycho Joe. You understand?
La kamfet.
Ngale Hong Kong. So
Okay.
ukuthi wa trafficker maka trafficker bekahamba nomntana. Understand? So they thought ukuthi okay, u trafficker ngapha u trafficker nomntana. They took the child away. Yoshaya ama DNA. Ngempela kugcina mthola umntana wakhe. Ugele ngithi bekathatha umntana amhlohlela. Ayishisa impama indaba ukudlala. Ayishisa hayi indaba ukudlala. And then ithe umntana makayenza 2 years. I-consulate yamncane. Uthi mfethu ngiyacela. Sinikeze umntana. Angithi akunamuntu wakini ozoza azolanda umntana. Mina manje ngiyelifini. Ngicela unginikeze umntana, ngifonele bakini baze bazomlanda. Because leyo iyenzayo umura abantu ngapha upokotela umntana ngayiphansi kwekwapha. Hayi nebekabashaya juice. Yo bekabashaya. So do you understand what somehow for umntana mfethu i-trauma jo.
Trauma blood.
Leyo kuhlala ejele. Like umntana udevelopa nini? Whereby uhlala abona amabonda ayi4 all the
Amabonda
time.
ayi-4.
It's really
Yazi
sad.
ngikhuluma kanje kunomusisi engisebenza naye la. Uyasisilwana igama lakhe uDaddy uRachel uMandisa. Like usebenza the very same spanning share. Uyasisilwana first time angicela ukuhlangana naye wangixoxela istory wathi abantwana eSun City babiza idonkey head. Imagine, just imagine.
Ngibethunana.
Cabanga umntana biza idonkey head. Idonkey head bantwana basekhaya lapha. Is whereby emina ngifuna ukuthi bangivulele igate. Ngizobe mangibiza ubaba or mhlawumbe umama uvula ngizo donkey head. Imagine umntana uzalelwe ejele. Sekabiza idonkey head. Abanye futhi usesimandiswa ngixoxela athi umntana ngithi yena akazi next phela ukwazi umntana. Umama ukhuluma ngefoni maqeda ukukhuluma ngefoni ayithathe ayifake la ku Pampers. Umntana angithi akazi uzothi makabiza idonkey head lapha donkey head afika mtshela ukuthi umama bekakhuluma nobaba. Na iphone ayikhipha.
Umntana akazi nix.
So ngibuza kanje because of ngifuna ukwazi le information because of kunomunye umuntu uke wangitshela yona ngala eSun City.
Thina besibabonela fair.
Bembabonela kuphi?
Besibabonela fair. Unless the time ke ngahlangana nabantwana the time bazongikhipha ngebail.
Yeah.
We had to go to hospital
Okay.
to be checked out. Then bekuyilanga labantwana ke bagcwele bakhulile. Eish ba cute jo. Yazini. Ngicabanga bami ukuthi if it was mine abanye jo abahlala nabantwana babejele because bathanda. You understand? Singaba nayo imindeni jo. But then if imindeni ayikho supportive, there's nothing you're gonna do. Mama umfazi. Let's say manje ubaba uhambile. Yazi nabo basaba ama responsibility. You understand? Ukushiya nabo, makushiya nabo. Nomndeni nawe uthi awuzingeni. Uzenza njani? You understand? But then yona somehow mina futhi ngokuya ngami I would just prefer ukuthi isystem nje ke changewe kancane. Umama makangaphakathi ngaba kunamuntu oxhokomela umntana. At least bamthathe ke bamise ehome until umama abuye. Ahlangana nabanye abantwana, ahlale nabanye abantwana. Unlike I experience izinto umamas experience ejele. Because come on, umntana ngeke azakadli i-steam course. I-steam course phela mfethu immediately mawubhodla siphelile. Spelling.
Wasuza spelling.
Wakhipha nje umoya nje. In any form yomoya wayikhiphe kuyaphela. You understand? Mawuthi uyabheka umuntu udla breakfast ngo-8. Ngo-11 udla lunch. Uyakhiyela. Ngo-5 isapha. By the time uvuka ngakusasa ulamba.
Ulambile.
Yo, mfethu ulambe ngathi una 2 weeks awungadla.
Bengitshela umabrother la bengihleli naye la. Ngithi abanye abantu mfethu isinko shuthi uyastylishela before sidla ikalkop angeke uvela uthi angithi yabona bakuphakisa ithusla ekseni bakuphakisa umdoko uzozidla lezi bakuphakise ipapa ulidle lelo papa isinkwa mfethu uyadayilisha umani uvela shuthi before udla uqala ushaya isithiba xala setiye angithi wenzela ukuthi ungagawuli fast because uzolamba uyanderstand so kumele uyenze ngazathi uyayilokhareni maqedwe uyajika ucabanga something uyoba busy nga something else so lampilo yaba fit azikhiphe yazi sister manje ngifuna ukuthi wenzeni ngifuna ukuthi yazi ngijabule plan njoba uqeda ukusitshela istory sakho ngifuna bhekele yabhutilo yana nale camera ukhulume nale mntana lo selection ona 19 ofuna ukungena kule milingo obuya kuyo ungammotivate uthini ungakhuluma nawe uthini because angeke ngithi umntana wentombazana ngizothi both because kunabantwana right now obhekane nalo situation ukuthi yazi none kunalo ukuthiwe uyayora usacabanga ulo bamtshelile ukuthi mfethu siyaphuma mfethu siya-China ngesikhathi esiso sithini kulo mntana
yo girl nawe boy i-decision yokuthi uhambise for 5 million for 10 million it is not worth it leyo 5 million ne 10 million impilo yakho masengekho ngeke kubisele yona you might not be lucky njengami uye Hong Kong ubuye you might not be lucky njengalo sisi wabambijwa eChina wakhulunyelwa wabuye some other countries they kill bakubeke phansi so cabangela wena cabangela umndeni cabangela ne future generation la empilweni sonke sawayenza amaphutha but makwaya yona ye trafficking being a mole you are just a pawn in somebody else's game le azokunikeza yona he makes 10 times that sometimes 15 times that ngaleso sikhathi wena unikeza ama peanuts kube nalabo bangabi nenhlanhla ke tholakala ukuthi it's their first time they are just being used as a bait whatever impilo ozoyiphila ingawe whatever decision you make ingawe so engabe uzifunela okuhle zicabangele okuhle ayindaba yama trafficking guys I've been there done that seen it didn't work like you understand izothi noma ubuya la ubuya khona impilo yakho iza still izabe semove abo peers bakho bazabandlulile ama boss wakho bazabathenga ama Land Rover nama what ngaleso sikhathi abana sikhathi sakho so think twice or thrice before you decide to enter the business. The game is a very corrupt. It's a corrupt game. It's a cartel, if you know what I mean. Maungayazi Google. Matsibatsohle. Told you it's a cartel. Impilo yakho isengcupheni. Impilo yefamily isengcupheni. So uzicabangele because at the end of the day, should anything happen to you, the people you leave behind are the ones that suffer most. Eyakho suffering iza kwesibili. Engabe ufana nami ushiye ugogo endlini or ubani. uNkulunkulu maseka decide ukumthatha uzomthatha whether you are there or you are not there. But then it becomes more painful when you are not there. So uzikhethele into enhle. Yebo kunamsebenzi eSouth Africa siyasokola. Sokola sonke. But then gele ngabe ufuna imali or nawe boy ufuna imali. Efethu hamba uthenga amanqina neStradeni. Thengisa 1 rand 2 rand. At the end of the day leyo 10 rand uzabe uyenzile uzokwazi ukuthengela something. And manje wabeka every day leyo take leyo boyifuna or leyo phone leyo echazile kuzibanibani uzokhona ukuyithenga. So therefore ngiyanicela guys, it is not worth it. It is not worth it. Yebo.
Uyazi ukuthi basibukele eHong Kong. Ngahle
Angihleka nami ngisirious.
Ngifuna sikhulume naleya gogo loyana. Phela leya gogo loyana uyisindisile impilo yakho.
Why?
Utshele la
Why
ngi-strike.
tantin fonga? Ngoba tayo lampo poa. Leto tsika ngo oil ya. To ika o kwatju le ya. Ngo yin seng le ya. Ha chi ngo we kindo le lo. Ngo hei mo tin chok fok le. Le zan hai. Ngo go sam la ju go ngo lam ju le ya. Enoi le yet chi ya. Le bei jo ke ngo leng chi. Ma yet chi leng chi ga. Cam lên, cam nhạt, có khế lý đồ. Em nói lấy là. Tôi chân hài, son tốt trở lại. Tốt trở lại chẳng chính phố.
Thanda gogo China. Thanda gogo China. Yazwa ngimele sikhulume nalo gogo China. Lo gogo China bengeke vandag sibe ne podcast emnandi.
Ene benge
Ngabe
kojo.
kuthiwa mhlambe lo gogo China ke.
Ayazini.
Enhle kumele sishaye brand mina nawo. Gogo China.
Yeah. Kokwe chai.
Uyangithola?
Yeah. Mina ngizahlala emchimini.
Hayi sister.
Wena uzaprint.
Uyazini. Siyayeza sister.
Hayi, sayi.
Njengoba fethu into podcast. Na ikhaya. Khaya le ndaba. Siyanicela bafethu hlala kula mabutton. Subscribe bafethu nanicela bafethu comment. Sicela ukunibona lapha kuma comment section. Thank you so much Mkhosini sister siyabonga.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you.